What's up, everybody? It's me, Donovan, the Disc Golf Hunter. We are at Judson University. Has a short little 18-hole pitch and putt course on it, and today we're doing a special edition disc review. I got these two black zombie putters from my buddy Rock out in Austin, and he asked me to do a review on them. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna meet up with some friends here, and we're gonna throw these little short holes and put these bad boys through the ringer and see what we think. And then I'm gonna give them away. So these are first run putters. They're super rare, I guess. And I can't remember what they're called. Machetes? Zombie killers? I don't remember. Anyway, we got some boys here. We're gonna play. I'm gonna throw these and we're gonna see what we can do. Let's go. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is talk about the plastic. It feels like a hard tournament plastic. Very stiff, very firm in the hand. It's got a little bit of a bead on it. So it's kind of like a Judge, maybe. Got a nice deep rim on it. And they just feel very, very stocky, very sturdy. I did putt with them a couple times when we were at the putting league a few weeks ago. And my initial impression was that they're like bricks. Like they just float flat and straight right to the air. So we'll throw them here and see what happens. We'll get everybody else to throw them as well and get a few different skill levels to see what kind of distance they are. Got a super cool stamp on them. It's a snowman with a gun. Snowman with the flamethrower. I don't know. Pretty cool. You got the blue one. We got the gold one. Who we got over here? This is Eric. Eric's from Putting League.
Hey.
What's your PDGA number, man? Do you have one?
No, not yet.
His PDGA number is 9999999.
Yep.
You don't have a PDGA number?
No, not yet. I gotta get signed up.
So we got the novice. He's gonna throw a few, and then we got Atticus and Corey showing up eventually. All right, the rest of the boys are here. You got Atticus. What up? You got Corey. Woo! All right, so we're gonna start. So let's go.
Come on, baby. Oh, wow. Perfect shot, roll.
Of course, I wasn't filming, but hole 3, which is one of the hardest holes to birdie at Judson, I was about 65 feet out through the trees, through this bad boy, in the chains. First time I've ever birdied that hole, so that's pretty good.
Get it, baby. Holy smokes. No! Half hard on it. Come on, guys. Oh, so boss. Is that like the... Yeah, baby. Stuck it way out there. Was that the zombie disc?
Okay, so durability wise, I threw that putt, it went out of rounds into the road, and this guy just drove right over the disc in a truck. And it doesn't seem any worse for wear. These are definitely getting a few nicks here. So they're gonna have some nice used authentic feel to them when you get them in the mail. If you're the winner, don't forget to subscribe, comment, follow me on Facebook, and share. And you're qualified.
Oh, there it is. God damn. Nice toss.
Here.
Oh, yes!
All right, so we're through 9 holes. So far, these things are basically very heavy-duty putters. Like, they feel like they're very deliberate. Like, whatever line you put it on, it's gonna stay on that line. Had a couple that I've kind of put it on a ante, and it just held it the whole time. If I throw it straight, it goes straight. A couple people have thrown them into the ground. And as far as putters go, they're straight as an arrow, but they are a little heavier, and they all feel like a little bit more like a brick to me. So I'm hitting the front of the cage a couple times, so you really just got to put a little more oomph on them. But so far, these are pretty reliable.
Yes. No, that's so good. That's beautiful.
Oh my god.
And then like, no, wait a second. Throw like box out. That's beautiful. That's it. That's why I threw bad. Oh, that was almost $5.
It's going. That rolled a little.
Here, Corey.
I tried to. Come on, baby.
Call yourself a golfer off the wall.
Oh, nice.
Oh, right through it. Oh my god.
Hey.
Drills it. Drills it.
Ah.
Oh. All right, so I'm gonna skip 17 and 18. I gotta get going back to the office. Thoughts on the black zombie?
Holds the line. Holds the line real well.
Yes.
Yeah, holds the line real well.
These things are very unforgiving in the sense that they're gonna hold whatever line you put it on. So if you maybe put a little too much ante on it and you're wanting the disc to kind of correct itself and stable up, not gonna happen. It's gonna stay on that line. Some crazy kids. If you put on a hyzer, it'll hold the hyzer too. The thing is that they're very, for me, they seem like heavy, and like I keep calling them bricks, and that's what they feel like to me. Like they just drop out of the air. I was putting pretty much full power on these things and throwing them 210, 220. So definitely a shorter approach disc, but very cool. The plastic's pretty reliable. They're a little dinged up now, so they're not too bad. So anyway, that was my review. They're really cool. Black Zombie. If you want to get a pair, you can go to their website down below there, or follow those 4 parameters that I told you about earlier to qualify to win these bad boys. So I think I will pick the winner on March 31st, and we'll do that probably via live YouTube. Okay. All right, so that's it for now. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.